Beautiful 8.13 unrestricted acres with a charming cottage. Level and rolling property with 4 possible building sites. Plenty of room to build a cabin or an additional home. Perfect for an Airbnb. Super cute 2-bedroom/1-bath cottage with luxury vinyl plank flooring and newer windows. You can live in this house, rent it or live in it while you build your dream house. Spectrum high-speed internet available, 1 gig. There are beautiful mountain views from the back of the property. A creek runs on the side of the property. Bring your chickens and your RV. There's a carport on the property for storage or for a workshop. You will love the privacy. It's just minutes to Sevierville and 30 minutes to the Great Smoky Mountains. Close to local rivers, lakes, shopping, attractions and activities. Make your appointment today. This house doesn't have a HVAC and needs some TLC. Being sold as is shared driveway.